How to see if iPhone is unlocked. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, tap on About at the very top. This section provides a comprehensive overview of your device's vital information. Here, you can find details like the model name, iOS version, and serial number. To check the lock status, scroll down through this information until you locate the network provider lock field. If the status next to it reads no SIM restrictions, it confirms that your iPhone is factory unlocked and can be used with any mobile carrier. Following these steps, you can easily see if iPhone is unlocked. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.